We out here today checking this Mitsubishi Series Multi. It's got a error code 5115. As you guys can see, we got 6 units down. The condenser is flashing red as well, and you can see got the error code coming from this address, which is the branch box, sensor number 15. Here's the branch box. So we gotta find that thermistor. Gonna go ahead and open all this. Okay, couple things I found. There's a little splice and this thermistor, and this one is not even connected. Supposed to be connected in here, back here. It was just laying in there. So LEV3 is that electronic expansion valve right there in the back. Is the one having problems. Yeah, if I'm not mistaken, is the outlet of that. So I gotta locate that sensor, and if I'm not mistaken, it looks like it could be this one that is spliced. The sensor is in here, and it looks a little corroded in there. Let's see if I can pull it out. Looks a little beat up. So I gotta get my meter, and I'm gonna ohm the sensor out, and I'm gonna order a new one, but I got one that I might be able to splice in here. So we'll see. Oh, got the reading the thermistor reading 4.1, where the other ones are, there's other 3 are reading like 6.1. So reading off calibration. So I spliced a new one in for now. I'm gonna order the OEM, that way I can run it from the board. As of now, gonna see if this works and go from there. You guys can see, here's the new thermistor for now until I order the new one. It's rating 35.8 degrees, so it's for LEV3. It's open 125 steps. Coming to the valve 56, going out of the valve 35, not bad. So the unit is running right now. You can see my indoor units, LEV3, TH5, T5, 35. Unit is running at 52 hertz. It just started, so I gotta let it run a bit longer. Compressor shell temp, dome temp 169.